Hey guys, I hope your weekend is off to a great start so far. I wanted to sit down and show you what I got inside my Ipsy bag for August 2018. I don't think I got a chance to film this last month, and I don't know why, but I didn't get my video up. I think I was out of town, and then by the time I sat down to film, it was already so late in the month, so I wanted to show you what I got this month. The bag is really cute. My camera doesn't want to pick up the color very well, but it's a really pretty, like, beautiful coral with a yellow zipper. It's very summery and fun. I'll definitely use this one. If you guys have never seen one of these videos, Ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription service. So when you sign up, you get a cute little makeup bag delivered to your door with 5 products in it. They can be full-size products, samples, deluxe size samples, but they are all beauty related. So it's just a fun way to try out some new products, some new brands, and build your collection. So let's jump into it and see what's in my bag. Do any of you guys shop on the Ipsy website? Because I know that they do offer cash back. Like, they're saying they're offering 30% cash back on a bunch of different products, and I haven't tried it yet. So you'll have to let me know if you've tried it. There are some of like the mainstream popular brands on there, but 30% cash back could really add up. Okay, the first thing in here is bubble wrapped, which is always appreciated. It is by Pixi. And it looks like a blush. Let's see. This is their Fresh Face Blush in the shade Beach Rose. I have tried a Pixi blush, but it's been a long time. And I've kind of been drawn to Pixi lately. I just filmed a video trying out some new products, and I included one of their new products. The thing about Pixi is their prices are kind of mid-range. Like, they're not super affordable, but they're not also what I would consider high-end. But this is a really beautiful color. This is definitely a shade that I will wear. Oh, it feels really soft. It is a matte blush, so I kind of expected it to be a little bit dry. I don't really do a lot of matte blushes, but this could definitely be a fun change, and this is a beautiful color. It definitely looks like something that I would wear, so I will be sure to try it out. I think it could be fun. Okay, the next product in here is from the brand Purlisse. I've tried a few of their skincare products, and I really enjoyed the ones that I've tried. I've never heard of this one. It is their Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. It's supposed to be a lightweight, oil-free gel cream moisturizer that just refreshes your skin, and it says that it's meant for oily, combo, normal, or even sensitive skin. So I think this is going to work out perfectly for me. Oh, it feels really lightweight and really refreshing. This is the type of moisturizer that I really enjoy, especially during the summertime. I have something from Drunk Elephant, but I think Purlisse is a lot more affordable. Oh my gosh, it smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. It smells so good. And I know that, you know, it's not always ideal to have scented skincare products, but at the same time, this just smells so good that I want to use it immediately. It would be so much fun to use in the morning just to kind of wake you up. So I'll have to read more about the benefits of it online, but honestly, I'm really looking forward to trying this out. It seems like it's going to be an ideal moisturizer if you have oily skin because it is more of that gel type texture. This is by the brand Hey Honey, and I have gotten a few things from them in the past, but I don't know what, so I don't know that anything has become an essential for me, but it is the Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. Okay, I've been wanting to try a peel-off mask for a while. I used to have them like years ago, but it's been a long time since I've tried one. It's basically supposed to exfoliate and lift away impurities and drama, and it's meant for all skin types. My skin has been breaking out a lot. I've been trying a lot of new products, and I think one of the face primers that I tried really made my skin break out. And it's definitely on the mend, but I would love to try out this mask, so I think I'll actually try this one tonight, and then I'll try this skincare product tomorrow. So I'm excited about both of these. Okay, the next thing came sealed. I just took the plastic off, but it's by the brand Half Caked, and it is their lip fondant, and I got the shade Girl Crush. I'm assuming that it's a liquid lipstick. The packaging is really cute. I got a really fun, bright orangey red. I am so excited about this. Oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute. I love shades like this. I actually have one from ColourPop that I love, but I haven't gotten a ton of use out of it this summer, which is weird because normally I'm all about like the bright red lipstick during the summertime, but this summer I've been into like more colorful eyeshadow looks. So I typically wear nude lipsticks just because I usually like to balance it out a little bit. So I'm just putting it on the back of my hand. This is a really beautiful color. This is like my absolute favorite lip color to wear. And honestly, I need to wear it more often. It's just so much fun. This swatched really beautifully. It's a very lightweight, very liquidy formula. It's taking a few seconds to dry down. I wanted to wait to see if it dries down, but it's been like a minute or two and it's not completely dry. It looks like it's on its way. So I want to see if it's smudge proof, but it's a beautiful color. Okay, the last product in here is from MAC. It is their False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. This is the tiniest mascara sample in the whole world. I don't know if it's actually smaller than other mascara samples or if it's just the packaging. but doesn't it look so small? I personally don't use MAC products. Sometimes that's a little bit controversial when I mention that on my channel. It's just a personal choice. If you guys want more info about their cruelty-free status, I'll link it in the description box below, but I will just donate this and pass it along to somebody else. But honestly, this is the tiniest mascara sample in the whole world. Okay, this lipstick is drying down. It's dry for the most part, and where it is dry, if I smudge it, it's not transferring onto my other fingers. So I'm looking forward to trying it out. It looks like it's a very thin formula, so I have a feeling it's going to be pretty comfortable on the lips. So I will try it out and keep you guys posted in an upcoming video how it worked for me. And then I thought I would just share the two products that I got with my points. The first one is from Briogeo. It is their Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I talk about this on my channel all the time, so you're probably sick of hearing about it if you are a regular subscriber, but I love this. It's such a good leave-in conditioner, but it's also a heat protectant. So it's just like the one styling product that I use every single time I wash my hair. And I go in with this, I just spray it everywhere, and then I style my hair, and it protects it, but it also detangles it. It leaves it moisturized and soft. I need a really good trim, honestly, and I don't like straightening my hair when I film because it's always in my face, but I've been curling it a lot, and I think my curling iron has been like burning my hair off because it's very old. I need to get a new one, and it just gets way, way too hot no matter what temperature setting I put it on. So if you have any recommendations for me, I would love to hear from you, but I was so excited when I saw they had like a little travel version because now when I go out of town, I can just pack this and still have it with me. And the other product that I got with my points is by the brand Delectable. I've gotten a few of their hand creams in my Ipsy bags in the past, and they smell amazing. They are my absolute favorite. The one that I have in my purse right now is like a mint chocolate chip flavor, and I love it. So this one is their Body Butter Cream, and it is their Triple Citrus Blend. I have to test this one out, but I got another one that smelled like vanilla cake. That was amazing, and I just really like them. I don't think... I can't get this off. I like these products because they're not too greasy, but they still really moisturize your skin. So let me smell this one. Oh, this one smells really good. It's definitely a strong citrus scent. I don't usually go for like citrus scented, I guess, body products, but I think it's kind of fun for summertime. Okay, guys, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you let me know in the comments below what you got in your Ipsy bags this month, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.